Hello everyone, we are Dread Dragon, including Vijay, Dwi, Narendra, and Eric. We are presenting our hackathon for this year. The project names Fly Social. As a traveler, happiness isn't a destination, it's also a journey. And sometimes it's the journey that teaches you a lot about your destination. As with any journey, who you travel with can be more important than your destination. Our project aims to provide the passenger to select the person who have the same interest to travel with, which make his travel is more enjoyable. Besides that, we want to leverage our platform to provide a personalized experience for the passenger and also selling that data to any allies who are interested. So let's take a look at our demo. What I have here is a passenger. Uh, I am right now on the search for flights. As a passenger, I can create my account first, or I can log in using any social account that I have: Facebook, Google+, Twitter, Pinterest. Um, and after I log in, the system automatically take the interest based on my permission, and then save it for the next for the future use. So in this case, I already have an account. Let me log in with that user and enter the password. And here you can see that the user is able to specify with information that he would like to give when he searches for a flight on this flight. So let me do a search from AUH to LX one way. Now I'm on the calendar page. What the system does in background right now is that it will look in all the flights available on all of the days within this November 2016, get a list of flights. For each of the flights, get the seat map. And for each of the seat map, get all the seat that people already booked or other passengers already booked. Get their interest and then compare that interest with my interest and give the score. What you see shortly is that the system will rank each day based on the relevancy. The color coded on it and the number on the top telling you the from the least relevance to the most relevant day to travel. So for example, in this case, the 26th is green, which means that I have more chance to travel with somebody who have the same interest as mine. Let's take one, let's pick the day, this day. Now I'm on the select your flight page. And the same algorithm running in the background will tell me that for among all of the flights, which flight will have more people having the same interest as mine. Take a look at one of the flights over there, and I'm going to move my interest, rearrange my interest right now. The system automatically take that interest and recalculate the score for each of the flight. I can also add in more interest on the flight so that I can see the score change. Let me move my reading to the top, assuming that on this travel I would like to do more reading and talking about reading than anything else. And you can see that the flight list is refreshed. Let me pick one of the cabin. So now I'm on select seat. The icons that have the person icons in it, the seat that have the person icon in it, are the seat that already picked by other passenger. And based on their permissions, we are able to show their information and also their interest. In this case, what you can see is that this person have the same reading and fencing as my interest. And this seat, the green seat, is the most suitable seat to take. And therefore, if you take a look at this one, you see that this empty seat have one person who have the same interest as mine, which is reading. And let me add another one drawing in this one. And let's see how the seat map will react. Again, this one, now I have to, this passenger have two interests the same as mine. This seat is not having because it's only on one side. the person on the other side doesn't have the same interest as mine, so I have less chance to talk about my interest to one of these persons. That's it. That's the demo for my demo for our project. So, how does it help airlines? Our project will help customer enjoy his or her flight and keeping track of his or her needs for future travel. We also can partnership with other industries like restaurants, music, movie, games, and any other one who can who act on a personalized level based on interest. Apart from that, we can mine the data that's shared by our customer to help ally with determine in-flight entertainment such as movie or TV series. We can prepare for food on board based on the interest because we know that somebody, a lot of people is on the airplane that on a flight that got interest in Starbucks coffee or Chipotle burrito. We can also do personal duty-free in-flight shopping. There's so much that we can carry on the airplane, and based on the interest, we can prioritize and carry that uh, on the fly and sell it to our customer. We can also use the interest data to send personalized promotion, the recommend destination plan holiday packages for his with his or her favorite things. And of course, we can also use the interest to offer ancillaries to customer during booking and check-in. That's our project for this year. We hope that you enjoy the product. Thank you.